Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing amazing, having a good day, evening, night, afternoon, whenever you are seeing this video. Today, I'm going to tell you about GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is an amazing platform where people can run their business in one platform. It's an all-in-one CRM or an all-in-one platform which can actually provide you a functionality of conversations, social media management, all sort of communication management. You can manage your reputation online. You can do all different kind of marketing tasks, and you just name it. Anything which a small business needs is available at this platform. Today, I'm going to show you this white label version of GoHighLevel. Over here, you see our agency name, and these are the menus on the left. And this is the launching pad of what you can do with GoHighLevel. Overall, if you look at the dashboard, it's awesome, neat. You can customize the dashboard. You can make it like a graphical presentation. You can make it number presentation. However you want to do it, you can actually customize all these platforms. I will show you in other videos how to do all of these things. But overall, today I'm going to just give you the presentation on what this platform can do. In conversations, you can actually manage all your conversations from Facebook, Instagram, Google, emails, phone numbers, SMS, you just name it. You can create your own booking platform. Like if you have more than one team and everybody wants to have the calendar, you can create the whole booking platform in here. And then you can actually create your contact list. You can manage them with tags. You can see their last activity. You can see when the account was created. You can filter them with tags, smart lists, and you just name it. Other than that, you can have like all different kind of opportunities. You can create different kind of pipelines and show those. And also you can receive payments in the same platform. You can send people estimates. You can send your customers recurring invoices, and you can make them sign some electronic documentations and stuff like that. You can actually create, that's amazing. You can actually create your own e-commerce store in here too. Also, you can go with subscriptions. If you charge anything on a monthly basis, you can track their transactions, you can create products here, and so on. Then you can have a marketing platform in which you can actually create websites. You can create landing pages. You can even connect WordPress and all the functionality of WordPress here in GoHighLevel. You can also create countdown timers to tell people, hey, our sale is ending in 30 days, 20 days, 15 days, whenever. You can create your own affiliate manager program that can help you providing commissions to your salespeople on time without any delay. And then you can create your brand boards. That's how you or your customers can actually have some specific colors, fonts for your conversations, or for your communication preferences. Then they also recently introduced Ads Manager. That is one of the amazing things which are offered by GoHighLevel. Like you can manage your ads from this platform. And then you can also have different kind of automation workflows. I will create different videos for each and everything of them. If you want to know how to do something, ask in comments, ask in the questions, and I will create a video on your questions. And they actually, like, you can go and select a recipe. Amazing recipes are already created within this platform. And then you can create your own your own membership platform as well, where you can actually sell your courses, create your own university pretty much. There is also an app market space where you can actually go and find out any app you may need for your business, and you can integrate it to your GoHighLevel account as well. There is also a cell phone app which you can download on your phones, Apple or iOS or Android, and they work amazing. If you have any questions, ask me in comments, and I will definitely create more content for you. I can answer any questions. If I don't know those, I will find those answers. Trust me, there is a lot you can do. Even if you put your wish list in the comments, I can assure you that we can do that in GoHighLevel. If not now, in the coming days, because GoHighLevel's team is creating new features every day, every time. If you like, and if you cannot find any features in GoHighLevel, you want to see how you can find those, I am putting my booking link in comments as well. Feel free to contact me directly and book an online demo or a meeting with me. Ask any questions. It's a 1 hour demo. Ask any questions you have in your mind during that session. Or if you like, I'm also putting my GoHighLevel affiliate link in the comments, or in the description, so you can avail your 15-day trial period from there as well. Hope to connect with you. I am really excited to see more of your questions. Let me know and we go from there. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.